Hello and welcome to another tutorial video about Bybit. Today I'd like to show you how you can go long and short at the same time trading the same perpetual futures contract on Bybit. Because I had a question, can you actually go long and short at the same time? That's absolutely possible. A few people might ask, why on earth would you want to do that? Well, it might be worth doing, for example, if you are of the opinion that looking at this here on the 4-hour chart, you could argue that on the 4-hour chart, we are in a downtrend, yeah, or on the daily chart, you could argue we are pretty clearly in a downtrend. So I believe the price is going to go lower. In fact, I really believe the price is going to go lower. I think we're going to go a bit lower with Bitcoin. So I could decide, I mean, we're not looking here at trade setup, so I just want to show you the mechanics of doing it. I could decide to just go short now, yeah, because I want to trade on the daily time frame Bitcoin lower. So how would I do that? Well, I could just open a short position now, a market order, for example, and whatever, with a take profit target around 14K. I might set a stop loss here above the previous swing high, because I believe if it goes above that, it could rally all the way up to whatever, 21K or so. So I might just want to do that. I'm going to show you that with a very small demo amount here. I want to sell short. I could, well, I'm not going to show you how to set a stop loss, take profit. I did that in previous tutorials. Just want to show you how you can easily do that. I can easily use a limit order. With a limit order, I could say, right, I don't want to go short now. I want to wait until the price runs a little bit closer into resistance, so it's closer to my stop loss. But I want to show you how they are both actually showing here. So I'm going to just go on with a market order. By the way, if you don't know difference market limit order, take a look at my other Bybit tutorials. And if I go short with a market order, again, very small exposure, I go short now. And by the way, I would always set the stop loss, but this is really tiny amount here. Okay. If I now want to go long, why on earth would I do that? Well, because, you know, it is obviously possible to be in different trends on different time frames. So there are some people, a lot of people actually, who like to trade different time frames. So I could trade on the daily time frame in a short position, whereas I believe, and just leave that open, yeah. While, for example, on the lower time frame, so let's go to the 15-minute chart, I could say that I believe, okay, we are in a moderate uptrend here. Let's say we've pulled back to the trend line, so I believe that we might go a little bit higher. So why not why not go long on the lower time frame? So I might as well do that now. Again, very small exposure. Don't know if it's actually doing that. And I can open a long position now. And, you know, in the end, this should come out really neutral. But it's all about, where are your resistance areas? Where's your stop loss? Does it make sense overall? For example, let's assume you already have a short position. You opened a short position at around 19K and you're massively in profit. So why would you not try to trade long just on the lower time frames when we have small relief rallies, right? And that's, for example, one key reason why you might want to go long and short at the same time. So I would always encourage you to set a take profit stop loss. You can always do that after you actually opened the position. I obviously showed you here an example without doing leverage, but you can just easily, if you want to trade leverage, you can just add that up here. Personally, I would never use cross, but that's a different story here. Cross isolated, I always try to go with isolated, but that's basically it. So don't want to make the tutorial longer than necessary. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like to support more crypto online, then feel free to check out the affiliate link in the video description. You can get an up to $30,000 bonus at the moment with Bybit, but that depends on certain conditions, so you can check that out should you want to click on the link. But other than that, yeah, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.